Hi, I am Laura McCook, certified laughter yoga leader, speaking today to those who are curious about laughter yoga. My intention is to provide answers to two questions. What is laughter yoga and how can this benefit you? I will also walk you through a few exercises so you get to experience the practice. Laughter yoga was started in the mid-1990s by a medical doctor from India, Dr. Madan Kataria. And really what laughter yoga is laughing for the sake of laughing. A laughter yoga session utilizes various laughter exercises and yogic breathing, which is called pranayama, and it can be done alone or in a group. This is not a religious practice, and we never laugh in a mean-spirited way. It is always geared to uplift in a positive direction. Typical session will have a warm-up, followed by laughter and breathing exercises, and then often it will go into what is called a laughter meditation, also called a laughter flow, where a timer is set and the individual or group will laugh for that set period of time. Then you cool down and end with something very calming and grounding, like yoga nidra, which is a meditative guided body relaxation. Or you could simply do a guided positive visualization. A full session typically lasts about 30 minutes, though some run longer and some run shorter. You do not need anything outside of you to do laughter yoga. No funny movie, no silly jokes, no strange, silly circumstances. You need you and the intention to do the practice, which is so powerful. Even if you don't feel like laughing, you don't need to feel like it to do the practice and to get the benefit. You just have to engage in the practice. Many people call this fake it until you make it, though I don't prefer that term. Fake implies some level of not being genuine, and I like the term self-induced laughter versus fake laughter. Because what you're really doing is making a conscious choice. You are standing in your personal power and making a choice to engage in something that is beneficial for you, which is why you do the practice, because it benefits you in some way. So how can this benefit you? Well, there are numerous physical, mental, and emotional health benefits. Today I'll only discuss a few just for time's sake, and in order to obtain the researched benefits that laughter yoga has, you need to do it for a minimum of 10 to 15 minutes, and ideally set aside time to do the practice daily, though just do the best you can. For the science-minded, I will provide links to the research that supports these benefits in the video description below. First benefit is stress relief. This is huge because the downstream benefits of reducing stress are amazing. Stress affects all areas of the body. Laughter yoga lowers cortisol, which is the body's main stress hormone. It can reduce blood pressure, lower your heart rate. It can also reduce perceived stress. So life has many stressors for most of us, but a lot of those things that happen outside of us don't have to impact us negatively. We don't have to react to them negatively. So laughter yoga sort of helps us laugh it off, if you will, which leads to another benefit that is closely tied to stress, which is an improvement in cardiovascular health. A study done in Japan compared individuals who rarely or never laughed with those who laughed frequently or on a daily basis. Those in the rarely never category had a 20% increase in the risk of heart disease and a 60% increased risk for stroke. By its ability to reduce stress, laughter yoga helps blood vessels relax and remain elastic and youthful. Laughter yoga is a form of aerobic exercise, so you will receive greater oxygen intake to the brain and body, and it can burn 100 to 200 calories in about 30 minutes. It boosts the immune system. Laughter yoga increases natural killer cells, which are a part of our innate immune systems, and it increases lymphatic system flow, which is critical to detoxification and immunity. There are also many people doing laughter yoga who self-report having fewer colds and fewer illnesses after starting laughter yoga. Mood elevation. This seems the most obvious benefit to me. Laughter yoga releases endorphins in the brain, that make you feel good. And it also has an effect on serotonin and dopamine, which can improve mental health in general, though I don't like to distinguish a separation between mind and body, because ultimately an improvement in one leads to an improvement in the other. I can give you my personal experience as well. There was a period of time in my life where I was under a long-term chronic stress, and the ability to laugh was no longer natural to me, and in fact felt like it was no longer available to me anymore. And laughter yoga provided a gateway to reawaken that resilient playfulness inside of me, which I am so grateful for. So now I'd like to demonstrate a few exercises so you can experience firsthand what laughter yoga is like. It's one thing to read and hear about something, and it's a whole other thing to actually experience it. So please follow along with me if you like, and let's do some laughing. This example will just take a few minutes. So the first thing we're going to start off with is 3 breathing exercises. Well, it's one breathing exercise we're going to repeat 3 times. We're going to inhale and lift our arms overhead. And on the exhale, we're going to breathe out with a gentle giggle. Ha 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 ha. So follow along. Inhale, lift your arms up. And exhale, giggle it out. Ha 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 ha. Inhale, arms up. Take a little stretch if you like. And exhale. Ha 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 ha. One more time. Inhale, arms up. And exhale. Ha 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 ha. If at any time during laughter yoga you feel any type of discomfort, just feel free to step back from the practice. Stay whatever in your zone of tolerance, and you can simply observe and come back to the practice anytime. Another warm-up exercise is ho ho ha ha ha. We will clap our hands to the ho ho ha 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 mantra. Ho ho ha ha ha. Now we're clapping our hands to stimulate the acupressure points that are located throughout the palms and fingers. And we're clapping along to ho ho ha ha ha. We're going to do that 3 times. Ho ho ha ha ha. Ho ho ha ha ha. Feel free to move your hands. Ho ho ha ha ha. Now I end every laughter yoga exercise with an exercise where you clap your hands to very good, and throw your arms up and say, yay! Let's try that again. Very good, yay! That's going to bring in an element of childlike playfulness, which sometimes as adults we can lose that element. And again, you don't really lose it, you just need to rediscover it. So we're rediscovering that childlike playful element. So let's try the ho ho ha ha, clapping 3 times, and then end with a very good yay. Ready? Ho ho ha ha ha. Ho ho ha ha ha. Ho ho ha ha ha. Very good, yay! Great way to warm up for laughter yoga. So let's move into an exercise which is called phone laughter. You can use your cell phone, or you can use a landline if you're a person like me who still has one. You don't have to actually grab your phone. You can pretend, or you can actually grab your phone. And we're gonna laugh because someone at the other end of the line has something really funny to say. Oh, hello. What? You're so silly. Oh. Bye. Oh, it's ringing again. Hello? Oh. Okay, bye-bye. Very good, yay! Let's take a deep breath. In between each exercise, it's always good to take at least one deep breath. Laughter yoga can generate a lot of energy, and we want to make sure that we're balancing that out with some breathing. So take a nice deep breath in from your belly, and on the exhale, pretend like you're blowing out a birthday candle with pursed lips so that you can get the exhale a little bit longer than your inhale. Just slow things down a bit. So let's inhale, deep belly breath in. And exhale, pursing the lips. Good job. Now, moving on to silent laughter. We're somewhere, like maybe in a library, where you can't laugh out loud. You have to be really quiet. Oh, good job. Very good. Very good. Yay! Okay, now we're going to move into waving at others while driving. Here's a hint. I do this in real life when I'm driving. This is a great way to get in those 10 minutes. So if you're looking for time to fit this into your practice, do it when you're driving home, and man, it will make your commute so much happier. In the car and we're driving, ha ha ha, hello, wave at the drivers, ah ha ha ha, hey, look how close that guy is in the rearview mirror. Hey, you. Hello, zoom, that guy's going fast, bye-bye. He's so fast. Oh, good job. Very good. Very good. Yay! When you do laughter yoga for a period of time, sometimes you have a hard time stopping the laughter. Okay. Let's take a deep breath in. Belly breath in. Okay, now we're going to end. We're going to do 2 final exercises. Some gentle laughter. We're just going to do some gentle ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. We're just going to go ha, 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 ha. Ho, 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 ho. He, 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 he. Ho, 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 ho. Ha, 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 ha. He, 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 he. Ho, 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 ha, 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 he, 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 he. This is also a great exercise to use to get started with laughter yoga when some of these exercises may seem a little foreign. You can simply start with some gentle ho, 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 ha, 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 he, he, he. Very good, very good, yay. You can also settle down that very good, yay. Now let's finalize this with a grounding laughter practice. Step back, you can see a little bit more of me. Bend your elbows with your palms facing away from you. And we're going to say ho, ho as we push our hands forward twice, ho, ho. We're going to turn our palms facing the ground and say ha, ha, as we move our hands towards the ground with the intention of sending our focus to our feet, really feeling that connection with the earth. Whatever, you could be sitting, you can be standing, and you can do this practice either way. Nice and slow, we're going to say ho, ho, ha, ha. If you need to get into that a little deeper, ho, ho, to fill your feet, try bending your knees. Ha, ha, ho, ho, ha, ha. Let's do one final one very slowly. Ho, ho, ha, ha. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, bring them down. Great job. I've just demonstrated a few traditional exercises started by Dr. Kataria, though I have been involved with laughter yoga for many years, and boy, people are so creative. The group that I join has hundreds of exercises we have made up over the years, so there is no limit to the exercises that could manifest. If you're looking for ways to join a laughter yoga session, you can go to my website, www.lauramccook.com. In early April, I will be launching my 7 Days of Laughter series, which is designed to help you kickstart a laughter yoga practice. You can also visit laughteryoga.org to see worldwide sessions happening all throughout the day in multiple countries and time zones. Thank you for letting me share with you today and for laughing with me today, and I wish you well.